So our company started when a scientist in our lab said, this technology, I think it can make my guitar pedal sound better. And it turns out it did. It created these bigger, bolder sounds, sound more like a human voice and less like a tin can. And that's because, imagine your alarm clock playing a note, beep, 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 versus a cello playing the same note, sounding beautiful. The difference is all in harmonics. And our technology is creating harmonics that are more appealing to the human ear. So at CES, we're talking to some of the biggest companies in electronics in the world looking for partnership and licensing opportunities to take our technology to mainstream markets. And now at NASA, you might not care about these sounds, but I think you're going to care about the how and why our technology is better. My name is Adam Brown. I am CEO of Nanolog Audio, and we are pioneers of quantum electronics. We're located in Canada, and our company is based on Dr. Richard McCurry's research, our co-founder and CTO, who has over 200 publications, holds 12 US patents, and has researched this technology for over 15 years. Now, our technology is better because it uses this quantum tunneling process that conducts electricity unlike anything else in the market. And that helps create these bigger, better tones. But audio is just the tip of the iceberg because quantum tunneling is insanely fast and it also requires a fraction of the energy. So we're actually opening new doors for possibilities in terms of faster, more efficient electronics and new sensor technology. We're actually tackling 2 Nobel Prize winning concepts with our technology. So that's quantum tunneling and reorganization theory. And both of them have shown tremendous potential in terms of transforming what's possible with electronics. But the challenge has always been in being able to create something that's manufacturable and durable. So what we have done with our small guitar pedal company, what we're bringing to the world that no one else is this ability to manufacture quantum electronic components that actually work in products. Other attempts in this space, we've seen them deteriorate in a matter of hours, where we've proven a shelf life of over 7 years. It is night and day. Our products last over thousands of billions of IV cycles and can work in everything from 4 Kelvin to boiling water, and it's manufactured at the wafer level, which can be scalable. Now, we see audio as our beachhead market. From there, we can expand into really exciting markets like LiDAR, potentially, to help with in-space maneuvering or autonomous vehicles for Earth or space. And with more efficient electronics, we can actually maybe make your battery life last longer on Earth, but also our expeditions into space. Now, what we're offering is a footstep forward, and I know at NASA how valuable that can be. So we're looking for partners to help bring this technology to the market and look forward to connecting at the reception. Thank you.